Mm. Okay. So let's start our lesson without any further ado. Okay. So we are now in reading. Okay, the people in 1 to 5 all want to buy a book. Okay, they want to find a book, these people, and decide which one would be most suitable for each person. So we will going to help them to find the most suitable book for them. Okay, for example, number 1. Can you read number 1 for me? Laura,
Laura is looking for a book for
for her.
grandson's fifth birthday present.
Mm-hmm.
Preferably, it should be about space travel or animals and be a story she can read to him many times.
All right. Okay, how about number 2?
Mora's 40 years old daughter loves
Mm-hmm.
science fiction videos. Mora wants
Moira,
Mara come
to
wants to
encourage.
encourage her to read more by giving her a book which will hold her attention.
Very good. Okay, how about Fiona?
Fiona, like everyone in her family, is very interested in the cinema and enjoy reading about it. She wants a book that will give her all the gossip about film stars, past
Past
and
and
present.
present. Very good.
James, who is 15, is looking for something to pass time on the long plane journey, and he would
Mm-hmm.
like to read an adventure story which bring a period of history to life. Gary likes mystery stories which are full of suspense and
Excite
excitement.
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 Yes.
He prefers to buy a book by a new writer.
Okay. He'd prefer to buy a book by new writer. Okay, so let's help them to find the most suitable book for them. Okay. Okay, we have a lot of reading exercise. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. So we are now in the book sale or in the bookshop. So this week's bargain books. Okay, let's try this book A. What is this book A about? Okay. Let's try to read it first.
The meeting.
Okay.
This
This
exciting novel is aimed at
is aimed
teenagers.
is aimed.
It's aimed at teenagers, but
Mhm.
adults will enjoy it too.
Two.
It is the 16th century emperor, the farm boy, rescues a
Rescues.
princess. Rescues a princess. There are many marvelous chases.
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 Mm-hmm.
Battles
And
and romantic meetings. You
mm-hmm.
couldn't ask for more thrilling action in a story or more realistic
Mm-hmm.
picture of the past.
Okay, how about book B? What's the title? What is this book about?
It's about stealing speed.
Okay, the title of Book B is stealing scenes. Okay, and this is this is what is the book about? Okay, let's try to read.
Starting
Starting
at the age of 5, the writer of this amusing
amusing
autobiography has had a long and successful career as an actress on stage and screen. She takes us into her world of lights and cameras and tells the secret of famous people she has known.
Yes, very good. Okay, how about book C? The Bucket of Dinosaurs. Okay.
When Harry finds a bucket full of dinosaurs, he's delighted and takes them everywhere he goes until one day he leaves them on the train. How will he prove that dinosaurs belong to him? Very young children will never get tired of listening to this charming adventurer.
Yes. Letter D. Book D. Blood Rain.
In this seventh book in the series about an Italian police inspector,
The hero.
the hero investigates a murder. The victim may be just friendless nobody,
Or
or perhaps the son of the country's most powerful criminal. Can the inspector manage both to find the murderer
the
to stay
murderer.
alive?
Okay. The murderer and to stay alive. Okay, very good. Miranda. Okay, let's move on to Book E. Hex Shadow. This
This story is set in a year
2367.
2367, the year when Britain is a part of the
Cruel.
European Federation.
Cruel.
Research human computers.
Okay,
Correct.
cruel European.
Were rural Europeans were created in the late 21st century are now hunted down as imminent
Enemies.
enemies of the Federation. This is an exciting, fast-moving story which teenagers will love.
Okay, well done. Book F. Space Age.
Designed with the fact-hungry child in mind. This gives information about stars, galaxies, astronauts, and spaceships. This will bring the universe to life and make science and technology fun for those between 5 and 10 years old.
Well done. Book G. Stormy
This,
Weather.
this thriller is from the pen of a young Canadian. It follows the story of Dale, a meteorologist who
Meteorologist.
meteorologist
Meteor.
meteorologist
Yes, meteorologist.
meteorologist who
Very
is
good.
invited on a mail plane to
Invited
watch invited on a mail
and a
plane a
small.
small plane to watch a thunderstorm. Really? Dale's son discovered that not all dangers come from nature, and to save his life, he must find the answer to some
Deadly.
deadly questions.
Okay. Last book. Shoot. For
For more than 20 years, this has been recognized as the best good guide to the movies. This latest edition gives details and opinions about more than 22,000
22,000.
films. It tells you about a video
Mhm.
and DVD availability, which
Availability.
availability, which films are suitable for family viewing, and the price films have
Prizes
prices film has
have won.
won.
Yes. Okay,
Uh,
so
uh, 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 uh,
based
uh.
on these books that you've read from A to H, which books is most suitable for Laura? She is looking for a book for her grandson's fifth birthday. Okay, she wants it she wants it to be about space travel or animals and be a story that she can read to him
Family.
many times. So what do you think is preferably?
Hả? Cái gì?
What kind of book do you think is the best choice for
Hạ
Laura?
Long 135. I have to wear glasses.
Yes. We have two. We have a lot of reading exercise.
Oh no, my
Mhm.
eyes is hurt. Oh
Okay.
shit.
Oops. Okay, Miranda. So which books is the best choice for Laura?
Laura, who is
Yes. From
Laura?
from A to H. Laura, number one. She's looking for a book for her
Space
grandson.
travel.
Yes.
I
Space travel
think
and animals.
I think about Star Galaxy Dynamic Sound Function. F. Space Age.
Okay, Space Age, designed with a fact-hungry child in mind, gives information about stars, galaxies. Okay, between 5 to 10 years old. How about letter C?
Đóng cửa vào.
How about F is actually a good choice. Okay, well done, Miranda. But how about letter C?
No,
We
no,
are
no,
look
no.
we are looking for the most suitable for the best choice. Letter C, it says that young children will never get tired of listening to this charming adventure. And Laura said that she wants a story that she can read to her grandson many times. Okay. Letter F is actually right answer. It is also correct answer, but the best choice for this one is letter C, the bucket full of dinosaurs. All right. How about number two? Moira. Which is the best choice? Which book is the best choice for Moira? Moira is a 14-year-old daughter, loves science fiction. Okay, let's look. Let's look again to the books. Uh, all right, Miranda. So which is the best choice for Moira?
B.
For teenager. Science fiction.
B.
It's a science fiction.
Đáp án B.
Is it B? B is actually B is
B.
actually about a famous people.
Đáp án B đâu?
It's about gossip about famous people. So it's not a science fiction. So
Ah!
which is the best choice for Moira?
Choose A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
Yeah, science. Okay, her daughter loves science fiction videos. Moira
I
wants
haven't ready.
Moira wants to encourage her to read more by giving her a book which will hold her attention. Okay. How about this? Would it be a best choice for Moira?
I
Because
I I I I don't know.
she's looking for a science fiction. Hmm? Okay, try to answer this. Science fiction. We are looking for the science fiction. Try to look. Where is the science fiction? Hmm?
Well, I get what it is. Um,
Alright. So the best choice for Moira is book
hey,
E. Okay, entitled Hex Shadows. All right. How about number 3? I think you have mentioned the answer for this one. Fiona. She is interested in cinema and enjoys reading about it. She
B,
wants a book to give her all gossips about film stars, past and presents. Mhm. So, about gossips, about famous people. So, which is the best choice?
B.
B. Very good. Well done, Miranda.
Uh.
Okay, how about number 4? James. He is 15 years old and looking for something to pass the time on a long plane journey. Okay, he'd like to read an adventure story about, okay, an adventure stories which brings a period of history to life. So, which book is the best choice for James?
Down, 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 down.
Mm-hmm.
Là vàng.
He wants,
A,
yes. What is it? E or
A.
A?
Hả?
Okay, what is your answer?
A.
A. Very good. Okay. He'd like to read an adventure story which brings a period of history to life. Okay, so the meeting, book A is the best choice for James. Very good, Miranda. Okay, how about number 5? Jerry. Jerry likes mystery. Okay, which book is the best choice for Jerry? He said
Ờ,
that he loves mystery and excitement. Mystery
not
and excitement.
history. Not history.
Mystery,
Mystery.
yes, mystery and excitement.
Đi. Blood rain. Ô,
It's a blood rain.
màu mưa mưa đỏ này.
Okay, and
Blood
also,
rain là mưa đỏ này.
and also, there's a two books that you
Mưa
can
máu.
recommend to him. What is the other book?
G. G. G.
Okay, G, The Stormy Weather. Okay, this thriller is the first from the pen of a young Canadian. So it's a
Hình như
best
ai rồi.
It is the best choice for Jerry. Mystery stories and full of suspense. Very good, Miranda. All right, let's move to our next lesson. Okay, get ready for pet reading part 2. Okay, look at the information about Laura and underline the words that are important about her. Okay, for example, grandson's fifth birthday, space travel or animals
No.
and can read many times. So which
No,
books
no,
would
no,
be
no,
suitable
no,
for a
no, no,
child?
no, 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 no,
Which
no, no,
book
no,
would be suitable for a
no.
child of 5? Is it A, B, or E? Suitable for Laura's grandchild? Yes or no?
B, 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 B,
Hmm?
B, 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 B. I choose number B.
B? Letter B? What is letter B?
Yes, letter B.
Feeling scenes. Age of 5, the writer of some autobiography, had a long, successful career. But you
Busy.
answered it's either
C,
C
C,
or
C,
F.
C,
Yes,
C,
you,
C,
you
C,
answered F earlier, right, Miranda? So it's either C or F.
F.
Okay. What about C and F and why? Do you think book C and F
Yes,
are
yes,
suitable?
yes.
But why do you think it is suitable? Can you explain?
Because it's for fifth and for and 10 years old.
Yes, very good. Okay. Okay, let me just read this. Are C and F about space travel or animals? Yes. Okay, remember dinosaurs are animals
Why?
too.
Who
C and
asked?
F can both be suitable. Which one is unsuitable and why? So, which is the most suitable book for Laura? Now, do the same for other people. Okay, so this is how
No.
so this is how you were going to determine which is the best book for them. Okay, move to
Ready for
vocab
pet BDF. I have to
let's
find.
let's move to vocabulary. Harry had a bucket full of dinosaurs. Complete this sentence in an interesting way. Okay, there's no wrong answer here, Miranda. You will just going to complete the sentence in a most interesting way. It can be funny. There's no wrong answer. So, for example, Brian can speak. Okay, let me zoom it out a bit. Bri- Brian can speak because he just taken a mouthful of, for example, a mouthful of marshmallow. So you are just going to think of funny words or maybe interesting words to complete each sentences. All right, let's start with number 1. Brian
Brian B can speak because he's just
is just
taken a mouthful of food.
of food. Okay, very good. How about number 2? You won't?
You won't get better unless you swallow this spoonful
Of?
sugar.
Okay. For example, you are sick. you are not well. So you won't
Full
get
of
better.
medicine.
Yes, very good. Well done, Miranda. Okay, how about number three?
When
When
nobody was
nobody was
looking,
looking.
Tata gave me a handful of
For example, your
candy.
friend. Wow, very well done. Candy. Okay, how about number
Graham
four?
felt hungry. Ừ, chịu. Cho bánh này.
Graham.
Ăn chung
Graham.
cho Bin ăn với. Chị cũng thích. Đây cho bánh với kẹo mút nha. À thôi cho bánh với thạch. Rồi, đi đi. Của nhím mà, của nhím. Graham felt hungry when he looked at the plate full
Of
of
Faithful of
vegetable.
vegetable. Wow. Okay, Graham.
I am a healthy girl.
What? What is it again?
I am a healthy girl.
Yes. Very good, Miranda. Well done. Okay, so do you love salad?
Yeah.
Yes. Very good. Okay, how about number five? Jenny's last one.
Jenny's jacket was heavy because the pocket full of dinosaur.
Pocket full of.
Fruits.
Okay, how about um kind of like a metal or maybe a rock, like something heavy? Jenny's jacket was
Money.
heavy. Wow. I love your answer. Okay, I love your answer. That's very clever. Jenny's jacket was heavy because she had a pocket full of money or coins. Okay, Veranda, I see you. It's actually a great answer. Well done. All right, so let's move on to writing. Writing exercise. This is a story. Okay. Can you read this for me, Miranda?
This
This?
is a story called The Strange Visitor. The sentences aren't in the right order. Read the sentences and put them in the correct order. The first one has been done for you.
Okay. The first one has been done for you, which is this. This is the first part of the story. One day,
When Jenny arrived home, she saw some standing at her front door, hidden in a large, old-fashioned coat and hat.
So, what is the second part? So, you will going to arrange it by order. Which is the second?
She didn't know why, but she felt that this person was very old, wise, and kind.
Hmm? Wait, okay. What is your answer?
She didn't know why, but she felt that person was very old, wise, and kind.
Very good. Okay. How about the third part?
Although the person didn't speak, Jenny could hear some word in her head.
Very good. Okay, Miranda. Next one.
She went inside, took out her homework, and studied all
Oh,
evening.
no, it's not.
Oh no! She
Mm-hmm.
knew what she had to do.
She,
She she
although the person didn't speak, Jenny could hear some words in her
I
head.
already said that.
Okay, so okay, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this is number two, and this is number three. All right. So which is number four? The fourth part.
She knew what she had to do.
She?
She knew what she had to do.
Hmm? Okay, let's think harder.
Or she went inside, took out her homework and studied all evening.
I think it is the end of the story. We are
Um,
looking for the fourth part.
Jenny cried out in surprise and the strange visitor disappeared.
Yeah, but the visitors already disappeared, so it is still not the fourth part of the story.
To prepare for that day, you must study hard and learn all.
No.
Sao đi ăn kem rồi này? Xin cô nghỉ à? Xin cô nghỉ à?
I think this is still not the fourth part.
I don't
Okay,
know.
I will help you. Yeah, I will help you with this one. So I think this is the fourth part. This is only my first visit. That's okay. Because although the person didn't speak, Jenny could hear. Jenny could hear some words in her head.
Oh.
So you can see the apostrophe, right? So meaning the strange visitors is the one who's telling her this in her head. This is the only this is only my first visit, and when we meet again, I will show you my home on a distant planet. Wow, okay. So this is number 4. How about the fifth part of the story?
She know what she had to do.
2.
To prepare for that day, you must study hard and learn all you can.
Yes. It's still the strange visitor's voice. And how about number 6?
She knew what she had to do.
It's still not.
Jenny cried out in surprise and the strange visitor disappeared.
Okay, how about 7th part? The second last.
She knew what she had to do and that's all.
And the last part, she,
She went inside
mm-hmm, and
and took out her homework and studied all evening.
very good. Okay. So can you read again, Miranda, the short story in right order? Okay, let's try. Let's start with
One day when Jenny arrived home, she saw someone standing at the front door, hidden underneath a large old-fashioned coat and hat. She didn't know why, but she felt that this person was very old, wise, and kind. Although the person didn't speak, Jenny could hear some word in her head. This is only my first visit, and when we meet again, I will show you my home on a distant planet. To prepare for that day, you must study hard and learn all you can. Jenny cried out in surprise, and the strange visitor disappeared. She knew what she had to do. She went inside, took out her homework, and studied all evening.
yes. And studied all evening. Okay. So Miranda, we will going to rejoin again the Zoom, okay?
Okay.
All right. So I will going to call you back since oops, where is it?